Welcome to Learning Kids channel. Hello kids, let's draw a tasty pizza slice and then let's see some fun facts about pizza and have some discussion with pizza slice. Are you kids ready? Let's get started. First, let's learn some funny facts about pizza. Pizza cheese can stretch so long that it looks like a cheesy rubber band. Some people love pizza crust the most. Some people leave it behind like a tiny bread moon. What about you all kids? Pepperoni is one of the world's most popular pizza toppings. A pizza slice is shaped like a triangle. Crunchy mouthful, right? The largest pizza in the world were bigger than a room. Some kids fold pizza slices like tacos before eating them. How about all you kids? Pizza smells so yummy that people can recognize the smell very quickly. Cheese bubbles on hot pizza look like a tiny volcanoes popping.
Wow!
Pineapple on pizza is the one of the funniest food debate ever. Some people love it and some people say no way. Pizza delivery boxes are square, pizzas are round and slices are triangles. Funny shapes everywhere, right? Now let's have some discussion with pizza slice. Hello pizza slice, are you healthy or junk food?
I can be both. If I have fresh veggies, cheese and good ingredients, I can give energy and make tummy happy.
Wow, but people say pizza is unhealthy.
Eating too much of anything is not good. 1 or 2 slices with fruits or salads can be okay sometimes.
Are you tasty?
Of course! I'm cheesy, warm, crunchy and full of any flavors.
Is it safe to eat pizza?
Yes, clean cooking, fresh ingredients and hot-baked pizza are safe and delicious.
Okay, do kids need to eat vegetables too?
Definitely! Veggies help kids grow strong, healthy and active. I love veggies toppings too.
Can I eat pizza every day?
Better not every day. Eating different healthy food keep your body super strong.
Okay, what's make you special?
I bring smiles, fun family time and cheesy happiness.
Oh, that's great! I also love pizzas too. And you forgot me. I help take neat little bites. And me help cut pizza safely and easily. Remember kids, tasty food is best when we eat balanced meals. Share with friends and families.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.